Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlera. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install DataGrip on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or one with Apple Silicon. If you work with databases, DataGrip is one of the best tools out there. Built by JetBrains, it supports a wide range of database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB, and more. It's packed with smart SQL coding features, powerful query tools, and an intuitive interface to help you manage your databases effortlessly. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your web browser. This could be Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Download DataGrip and hit Enter. Look for the official JetBrains website and click on it. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description below to make it easier for you. Once you're on the DataGrip download page, choose your Mac version, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click the Download button. Save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will open. Just drag and drop the DataGrip icon into the Applications folder. This will install DataGrip on your system. Once that's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash to clean up. Now, open Finder, go to your Applications folder and find DataGrip. Double-click to launch it. If you get a pop-up saying, DataGrip is an app downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it? Just click Open to continue. When DataGrip starts for the first time, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Just click Continue. If you have a license or JetBrains account, click Activate Code and enter your info. If not, simply choose Start Free Trial to explore all the features for free. And that's it. You've successfully installed DataGrip on your Mac. Now you're ready to start working with your databases like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tech tutorial from iFlera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.